Greetings fellow drone fanatics, today we're going to talk about a very useful tool that is really important for taking good care of your batteries. And a lot of people think that batteries are not that important. They're the most important part of your drone because they are the ones that provide the powers. We're using these two batteries that have JST balance connectors to show you that this capacity controller is the best tool you can get just to be on the safe side, because LiPo batteries are very dangerous. So you need to know how to handle them properly, and that includes how to charge them and store them. As you can see, the balance connector has one wire for each cell and a negative wire. And this is very important to be aware of because this is a 3-cell, so we have 3 wires, and here we show you the capacity controller. And this little tool is very useful. It will tell you the percentage of capacity of each cell individually, and as a group it will also tell you the voltage, and it will allow you to check your health. As you can see, there's the first pin is the negative pin, so make sure that when you connect your JST plug, you connect it properly, making sure that the black wire is always the first one, which is the negative, and then you will see numbers 1 to 7, which means cells from 1 to 7. So this is up for a 6-cell or 7-cell 7S LiPo battery or other types of battery. This small capacity controller will check them pretty much all. You just need to have, as we said, balanced connector or a JST plug, and we will show you real quick how it works. So we take our JST plug and we pretty much connect it, and you will hear a small beep, and if you hit the type button for a few seconds, it will show you each voltage and percentage for each cell. It starts 1S, 2S, and 3S, and that's the voltage per, so you can check it per cell by clicking on cell. As you can see, this battery has a 65% charge right now on each cell. It doesn't vary that much. If you notice a considerable difference between cells, then there's something wrong with your battery, so make sure to check it out. You don't want your battery to die while you're flying your drone. That will be catastrophic. As you can see, this one, we have them on 50% capacity because we have the battery store since we're still assembling our drone. So pretty much a 2% or 1%, it's okay, but if you start to notice a 7, 8, maybe a 10% difference, there's something wrong with your battery. The bar below tells you the percentage of the entire battery. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very useful tool. We will leave you the link in the description to get it. It's really cheap. We hope you subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading more videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy droning.